Diesel 10 had been to a yard sale. He'd bought 2 truckfuls of spare parts. "Come and see what I've got," he said to Splatter and Dodge. "I bet you'll never guess what's here." "A side rod," said Splatter. "The wheel," said Dodge. "Well, you're both right, but I've also got something much better. Follow me." Splatter and Dodge followed Diesel 10 into the diesel works. "Look, a mirror," said Diesel 10. Splatter and Dodge looked at each other. "Oh, good," they said, thinking that maybe Diesel 10 had come off the rails a little, which was confirmed when he started speaking to the mirror. "Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the most devious engine of all?" The mirror then started speaking. "Why, you are." "I knew it," said Diesel 10. Splatter and Dodge were speechless. A talking mirror? The mirror then said, let me finish. The mirror started again. "Why, you are the second most devious." "It's not true," said Splatter and Dodge together. "The most devious engine is..." The mist cleared. "Tom Moss the prank engine." Diesel 10 was furious. "It can't be. You 2 splodges, go down to his forest immediately and tear his engine out." "OK, boss," said Splatter and Dodge together, and they left in a hurry. Later that day, Diesel 10 decided that Splatter and Dodge had had enough time to sort Tom Moss out. So he tried his mirror again. "Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the most devious engine of all?" The mirror cleared. "Sorry, your oiliness." "Oh, why am I surrounded by idiots? I'm going to have to sort him out myself." Diesel 10 roared off in the direction of the forest. Just before he got to the forest, he stopped. Up ahead was an obstruction on the track. "Ah, so he thinks he can stop me with a pile of moss, does he? Moss won't stop me. I'll show him." Diesel 10 continued. Oh no. He removed the track first. How embarrassing. Diesel 10 was stuck. Tom Moss came out from behind the trees and continued on his way back to his forest. Diesel 10, Splatter and Dodge were eventually rescued and returned to the diesel works. "We must think of a way to catch him out," said Diesel 10. "Do you know a way, Mirror?" "Ask me nicely," said the mirror. "Oh, very well," said Diesel 10. "Mirror, mirror on the wall, have you got a plan for me at all?" The mirror thought and then spoke. "I have a plan that's just for you, and this is what you must do. You must..." And with that, the mirror shattered into little pieces, hit by a stone thrown from outside. "Drat, drat," said Diesel 10. "After him, splodges." Splatter and Dodge gave chase. Outwitted by a pile of green. Thank you for watching our adventures of Tom Moss. To see more of our videos, please click on any of these clips. And if you haven't already subscribed, go on, do so now. See you soon.